Are you fucking kidding me, man?
We need help right now. We need
The
help.
mast! The mast!
The mast, bro. We have like 10 hearts.
Rio, you ugly rat! Fucking heal!
Bucket. It's GG, we lost.
Fucking pull the mast up, you ugly rat.
I don't. Bean, you're not playing. You're not playing. You're not playing the game. You're not playing the game. There we
Well
go.
done, Rio.
Rio, fucking do
Okay,
something, you
one
ugly
of
rat.
One of
No
you.
one comes in.
One
No
of you.
one still comes
One of
Yeah, fucking. I'm a doer.
you. One of you, bucket. One of you, bucket. One of you.
I died,
One of
man.
you,
Stop.
bucket. One of you, bucket.
You
One
respawned
of you,
me.
bucket. I'm cannon. I'm
Mate,
from
he's going insane.
Bro, this game is Peggy 3. But shit. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. I'm hitting this guy.
I'm bucketing. Keep healing. Oh my god, we can actually live if you fucking repair.
How do we repair the
Oh, you thick twat.
Oh.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god.
Bo's just disappeared.
Oh fucking hell. Buzz left so fast. Oh my fucking god. Oh.
Yeah.
What you on?
Fuck me, that was fucked. That was fucked. That was absolutely fucked. There was no chance we were ever gonna live.
Oh. Were you trolling that you? Please tell me.
Yeah,
you
it was, yeah.
Vote for that. Vote for that.
Fuck me.
That's mad. I actually couldn't tell as well. So.
Fuck me.